Today's 2 Minutes of Science is about building one of those metal laser cut airplanes. In this case it's a P51 Mustang. Now there's a lot of interesting pieces to the kit, and they're not that hard as long as you stay focused and keep track of all the little parts. The metal's thick enough so that you can bend it and bend it back in case something happens, and there's little tabs to bend. The basic plane is okay, and I'll show you later that compared to a more traditional type of model. The laser engraving gives it some spectacular detail, but it's still a little bit boxy. When I was younger, I used to play a game called Mustangs and Messerschmitts, which was a game of dogfighting before they had video games or things like that, or flight simulator models or emulations. It was back in the day when computers were a little less user-friendly than they are now. In any event, you put a 72nd model fighter on a stick with a clothespin, and the stick had graduations on it that measured altitude, so that you could do chandelles and split S and other types of maneuvers with the planes and see how they dogfight against each other. In any event, I learned a lot about a lot of different kinds of planes, and the P51, in particular the P51B, was a favorite of mine for flying on these types of things. The only thing it really lacked was a lot of firepower compared to some of its competitors at the time, but it was a lot of fun, and so I appreciated having the opportunity to build this kit and to see how closely it resembled a P51.